What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shmerly. If you guys are new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you guys are coming across, welcome. I am a business and marketing coach, as well as having my own marketing agency that I run, as well as my own e-commerce store that I also run as well. So that's a little bit of background information on what I do and about me. If this is your first time encountering my channel, welcome. If you guys like the sound of that, be sure to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, as well as hit that notification bell wherever it is so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I post. Within my channel, I help you and deliver you with tons of value so that you guys can have strategies and tips to implement if you guys are either starting a business or scaling your business. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into this video because as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I have an exciting announcement. So I have released the 5-day business builder challenge. So I'm a little bit late to kind of tell you guys, which I am so sorry about. I announced it first on Instagram, and I actually went to Orlando this past weekend because Jonathan and I have family in town. But without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into the 5-day business builder challenge and tell you guys a little bit about it. So for all of you guys who are like, what the heck is this 5-day business builder challenge? I'm gonna tell you right now. So basically, what we wanted to do is we wanted to create something free to give out to the majority of our followers, or just anyone who is actually watching this or who cares, who are aspiring entrepreneurs looking to, you know, build an online profitable online business, but they really don't know, you know, what it is to start a business on, or how to actually start the business, and what kind of framework or structure that is needed to actually go about creating, you know, a profitable online business. So that is exactly what our momentum was behind, you know, the purpose of creating this, you know, 5-day business building challenge for you guys. So I am so happy about it, and I really hope that you guys are happy about it too, because it took us, I don't want to say a little while, but it was something that we've been working on, especially like putting together the criteria and just like the information on it. So within this challenge, I'm going to go ahead and put like a little thing right here for you guys so that you guys can really understand what is within this challenge before actually joining in. Again, this challenge is completely free. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm kind of just talking and not really thinking of what I'm actually saying. I have like a little bit of ADHD, so I kind of tend to jump around everywhere. But within this challenge, you will discover your inner genius. So that's going to be on day 1. On day 2, you will understand the different high-ticket business models, because obviously, if you're starting an online profitable business, you need to understand what business model that you are going to choose and just run with. So we're going to go over the 3 high-ticket business models. And for those of you who are watching this and are just like, what is high ticket? High ticket is basically a business, service or product that you provide. Usually it is a service that is, you charge clients possibly like $2,000-$3,000 or more. I mean, high ticket for everyone is different when it comes to pricing, but it's really no less than $1,000, I want to say. So $1,000 is per product or per service of whatever it is that you guys are charging your potential clients or customers. So that is exactly what high ticket is. So on day 3, we are going to be discussing how to create your magnetic messaging. Messaging is so important with everything. This is like the first thing that you guys really need to get done, aside from figuring out whether it is a service or product that you guys are going to be creating, and then figuring out who it is that you are going to help, what it is that you guys are going to help them do, and you know how, you know, you're going to help them do exactly that. Because if anyone clicks on your landing page, website, or just your personal brand, your Instagram in general, and they don't know what it is that you do and how you're going to help them or help them survive and thrive in some way, they're going to jump out. They're not going to want to work with you. So that is exactly why it is so important to buckle down and create messaging. So that is exactly what we're going to be discussing and going over within day 3. Day 4, we are going to help you on how to create an almighty offer that your client simply cannot refuse. Now, this is when it comes down to sales and when people, you know, go to you for whatever service or offer it is that you guys are going to provide. So we're going to help you create that. And then the last and final day, we are going to actually help you, you know, and tell you how you guys can actually attract your first paying client, which is huge, because what is a business without clients, you know? So we're going to help you with that all within this free 5-day business builder challenge that we are so happy we created. We've already gotten a lot of great reviews and testimonials from it, and we've only released it, I want to say, just a couple days ago, maybe like 4 days ago at most, maybe 3. So I'm so happy to share this with you guys. And if you guys are currently watching this video and are aspiring entrepreneurs, or even if you guys started a business but are struggling with, you know, these 5 different aspects, then be sure to go ahead and join. I mean, it's completely free at no charge, and it's here to help you guys. We created this because we wanted to be able to give this to you, because I know when we first started 4 years ago with our business, we wanted something, a free material that could be given to us, or that we can actually join just like this one, that can help us and steer us in the right direction. So like I said, if these are all things that stand out to you, if these are things that are calling out to you, because these are things that you guys are currently struggling in, if you guys are current business owners, or if you guys are aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start your business, then I highly encourage you to join our business building challenge, because I promise you, you guys won't regret it. Along with all the great material and the valuable content that we will be sharing within this business building challenge, we also have PDFs, we have downloadables, we have attachments that we have included within this business builder challenge that is so valuable and so exciting, because you guys can download this, you guys can print it out and follow along and take notes and actually take some action along with just, you know, watching and just trying to comprehend the material. You guys can actually put it into action and see exactly what it is that we guys are actually talking about. So that is really great to hear, because for someone who someone like myself, I can definitely listen to something, but I learn better and I process things a lot more when I actually see it visually done, or if I can actually take some action and do some exercise with that. So we have these attachments, PDFs, and downloadables and printouts for you guys within this challenge. So yeah, so I'm just gonna close this out. If you guys want to join, which I highly recommend you guys do, it is linked down below for you guys to join today. Again, it's free at charge, and it is the 5-day business builder challenge. We're so excited to hear and see you guys within this challenge and hear all the exciting, you know, reviews and just what you guys have to say about it, or what you guys, you know, like the feedback from you guys joining it, and what you guys basically have to say about what we were able to provide for you. So without further ado, or I shouldn't say without further ado, I'm just gonna close this video out for you guys. Be sure to go ahead and join. We hope to see you guys all there and connect. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you guys did find this helpful, or not helpful, but if you guys enjoyed this video and love to hear me ramble, be sure to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and be sure to join the challenge, because we want to see you guys in it. It's definitely gonna help you guys, I promise. So yeah, thank you guys so much as always for watching my video and tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.